Alrighty, good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome to another adventure in Rattle Can Restoration. As you can see, we have the transmission installed. We have the TV cable installed and adjusted. The way you do that is there a little button on the side there. You push that rod all the way back to its farthest back position, and then you give it full throttle and it'll pull that cable all the way out to its maximum, and it will adjust it that way. And then it should be fine. All right, we got the exhaust hooked up. We got the right computer in it. You have to learn the AAC needs to be taught, but that's just par for the course. All right, let's go under here and see what we got down here. We have the transmission installed. We have it torqued down to 35 foot-pounds. We have the 3-inch exhaust. We have the Flowmaster FX series all the way to the back. We have the drive shaft installed. We have the shift linkage. All we need to do now is just my throat's a little dry. All we have to do now is put transmission fluid in it. I got a couple of clamps that need to still go on, but once those are on, and she'll be ready to rock and roll.